जय गुरु जी। सभी संगत जी को आप सबका गुरु जी ब्लेसिंग्स चैनल पे बहुत बहुत वेलकम है। जैसा हमारे गुरु जी का कहना है कि सत्संग सुनना व सुनाना दोनों ही कल्याण का माध्यम है, तो हमारे चैनल गुरु जी ब्लेसिंग्स के माध्यम से आप भी अपना सत्संग सुनाने की सेवा कर सकते हैं। आप अपना सत्संग ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करके या सामने दिख रहे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर लिखित तौर पे भी भेज सकते हैं। सत्संग सुनाकर आप अन्य संगत जी का भी भला करते हैं, क्योंकि कई सवालों के जवाब हमें सत्संग के द्वारा मिल जाते हैं। तो आइए सुनते हैं आज का ब्लेस्ड शुक्राना सत्संग। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरु जी सदा सहाय। जय गुरु जी। आइए सुनते हैं सत्संग। संगत जी, आज का जो सत्संग है वो संजय पुरी अंकल जी का है और ये सत्संग उन्हीं के शब्दों में मैं आपके सामने रख रही हूँ। A couple of months passed by and one day गुरुजी asked me, तेरी घरवाली की करती है? What does your wife do? I told him that she was a tarot card reader. He looked at me and said, yes, I know that, and I also know that she sits at 1 mg mall. He was quiet for a few minutes and then suggested that I ask her to stop reading the cards at once. She is dealing with negative energy and it was bound to have an impact on her and the family. I went home that night but never conveyed Guruji's message to my wife, as I knew what her reactions would be. 2 weeks passed by and Guruji again asked me the same question. तेरी घरवाली की कर दी है? I felt a bit strange that he was asking me the same question again, but I responded yet again. He asked me what tarot cards were all about. To the best of my ability, I tried explaining to him the purpose of the cards without realizing that I was only making a fool of myself. Guruji nodded and said that my wife should come and read his cards, and everybody around, including Guruji, started laughing. Then, all of a sudden, there was silence. He looked at me and, in a very stern voice, said, I asked you to tell her to stop it. Why haven't you told her till now? She is playing with fire and it will have a severe impact on her. That night, I went home and gave my wife Guruji's message. As expected, she turned a deaf ear to the message and continued with her readings. During one of her readings, after a few months, she had a harrowing experience. She encountered evil spirits who tried to possess her. With great difficulty and her presence of mind, she was able to break free from their clutches and rush out of the room. For months thereafter, she lost her peace of mind. At night, when she tried to sleep, she would hear deafening sound of breaking glass and people calling out her name. Practically every night she would wake me up. Meanwhile, she had started coming along with me to Guruji, but had not mentioned her experience or problem to him. One day, when we were sitting at Empire State, Guruji turned to Anu and said, क्यों अनु आंटी, घर विच सुख शांति है? So Anu auntie, is there peace in your home? Anu responded, गुरुजी, घर विच सुख शांति है पर मेरे मन विच नहीं. Guruji, there is peace at home but not in my mind. Guruji gave her a broad smile but said nothing. When we took Agya and came out, she told me that she would be sleeping well that night after several months. The shattering windows and name calling were all history, with one smile from Guruji. 6 months later, Guruji told Anu to take up a job and reassured her that he had blessed her to get one soon. She applied for a job with IBM and without any problem got it. A couple of months later, Guruji teasingly asked her, "Tenu tanka kitni mildi hai? How much salary do you get?" Anu told Guruji the figure and Guruji exclaimed कि ये IBM वाले मूर्ख हैं, तेनू इतनी तनख्वाह क्यों देंदे हैं? Have the IBM people gone mad? Why do they pay you so much? Anu replied, Guruji, I get my salary on the 1st and it's over by the 5th, and after that I live on my credit cards, and you are saying that I am being paid too much. Guruji had a good laugh and said, जा जितना जितना इतना हो जाएगा. He gave a figure for the jump in salary. While driving home, she said the figure Guruji gave sounded impressive, but since she had only been 3 months into work, it would probably a year when she got her increment, and then the figure would become that much. Just 4 days later, she got her increment, and true to Guruji's words, it was the exact figure he had blessed her with, not a rupee less and not a rupee more. That evening, when I went to Empire State, I did not utter a word to Guruji, as I thought it was better that she herself gave him the news. While I was taking आज्ञा and touching his feet, he asked me, फिर अनु आंटी तनख्वाह बढ़ गई कि नहीं? So has अनु आंटी's salary increased or not? I touched his feet and again replied, हाँ जी Guruji, yes Guruji. He asked me for the figure and I told him that it was the exact one that he had told her. He smiled and said, ये तो कमाल हो गया. This is astonishing. बहुत ही प्यारा सत्संग है जो संजय पुरी अंकल जी ने शेयर किया है. जय जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी.